Physics, Chapter 3 Machine. Pulley. A pulley is simply a groove wheel that is used along with a rope or a chain. A single pulley can be used in two ways. First, as a fixed pulley by keeping its axis of rotation stationary, that is, keeping its frame fixed in position. 2. As a movable pulley by changes its axis of rotation, that is, keeping the whole frame movable. Single fixed pulley. A pulley which has its axis of rotation stationary in position is called a single fixed pulley. See the picture in slide 3. Figure 3.21 shows a single fixed pulley which axle is fixed to a rigid support and strong string of a negligible mass passing around the groove rim of the pulley. One end of the string is connected to the load L and the effort is applied at the other end, which is also called as free end of the string. Load L and effort E acts in a downward manner. If you apply effort downwards, pulley rotates and the load moves up. The tension throughout the string is T upwards. MA, VR and eta of a single fixed pulley. Neglecting first the mass of the string, second the friction at the axle. In balance position of load, we have load is equal to T and effort is also equal to T. From equation 1 and 2, load is equal to effort. For ideal case, Ma is equal to 1. As we know that Ma is equal to load by effort, Ma is equal to T by T, T get cancelled, Ma is equal to 1. For ideal case, VR is equal to D by DL. VR is equal to D by D. Efforts move a distance D downwards. The load also moves the same distance D upwards. That is, if D is equal to D and then DL is equal to D, VR is equal to 1 by 1. VR is equal to 1. Eta is equal to MA by VR. Eta is equal to 1 by 1. Eta is equal to 1 or 100%. For actual machine practice, there is always some friction at the axle or in the pulley bearings, so effort needed is little more than the load to be lifted. Ma is less than 1, VR is equal to 1, eta is less than 100%. Remember, a fixed pulley is used only to change the direction of effort to be applied. The effort can be applied in the downward direction to raise the load up. To apply the effort downwards, one can conveniently make use of his weight also for the effort. A single movable pulley, a pulley whose axis of rotation is a movable, is called a movable pulley. Refer the picture given in the slide. The single movable pulley acts as a force multiplier. Pulley move along the rope. Wheel or frame supports the load. effort is in the same direction as movement. Reduce the forces needed to move an object. Figure 3.22 shows a single movable pulley. A string of negligible mass passes around its groove rim. Load L to be raised is suspended from its axle. One end of the string is tied to the hook H at the rigid support, and the effort E is applied at its free end. The tension T acts on the string on both the sides of the pulley. MA, VR and eta of a single movable pulley. Neglecting first, the friction in the pulley bearing or at the axle. Second, the weight of the pulley and the string. Then, load L is balanced by the tension T in two segments of the string as shown in figure 3.22 and effort balance the tension T at the free end. Load is equal to T plus T. Load is equal to 2T. That becomes the first equation. Effort is equal to T. That becomes the second equation. From equation 1 and 2 we get L is equal to 2T. L divided by 2 is equal to T. Substituting equation 3 in equation 2 we get E is equal to 2. E is equal to L by 2. 3.15 equation. Remember, in ideal situation, the load can be lifted by applying an effort equal to the load. For ideal machine, we know MA is equal to L by E. Substitute the value of load and effort, we get MA is equal to 2T by T. MA is equal to 2. Remember, if the free end of the string is pulled by the effort through a distance d, the load is raised up through a distance d by 2. Reason: the segment of a string on both the sides of the pulley moves up by a distance d by 2. That is, if d is equal to d, then dl is equal to d by 2. Vr is equal to de by dl. Substitute the value of de and dl, we get Vr is equal to d by d2. Vr is equal to 2. Eta is equal to Ma by Vr. Eta is equal to 2 by 2. Eta is equal to 1 or 100%. For ideal machine, Ma is equal to 2, Vr is equal to 2 and eta is equal to 1 or 100%. For an actual single movable pulley, Ma is less than 2, Vr is equal to 2, eta is less than 1 or 100%. Due to friction in the pulley bearing or at the axle, the weight of the pulley and string, the effort needed to lift up a load L will be more than L by 2. We'll see the difference between a single fixed pulley and a single movable pulley. It is affixed to a rigid support. It is not fixed to a rigid support. Its ideal mechanical advantage is 1. Its ideal mechanical advantage is 2. Its velocity ratio is 1. Its velocity ratio is 2. The weight of pulley itself does not affect its mechanical advantage. The weight of the pulley itself reduces its mechanical advantage. It is used to change the direction of effort from upward to downward. It is used as a force multiplier. The load moves in a direction opposite to that of the effort. The loads move in the direction of the effort. The axis of rotation does not move in space. The axis of rotation also moves. Way to change the direction of effort using a movable pulley. Refer the picture given in the slide. In a single movable pulley, effort is applied in the upward direction, which is inconvenient to apply the effort in an upward direction. Therefore, a movable pulley A is used along with a fixed pulley B to change the direction of effort as shown in figure 3.23. In this figure, the load L is attached to the axle in a movable pulley A and the effort is applied in the downward direction at the free end of the string passing over the fixed pulley B. Remember, one can use his own weight as effort, which will be quite convenient. For figure 3.23, MA and VR is equal to 2. Thank you.